Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome back to my channel with this new video. I hope all of you are doing great and enjoying at the best of your health. This video is gonna give you a gorgeous collection, and if you are hearing my talking parrot in the background, he is so excited to welcome all of you here on my channel. Before moving further, I request all of you to please hit like and subscribe. As I always say, this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything for liking and subscribing to my channel or any other channel. So, talking about today's video, let me tell you that this video is going to give you a variety of mules. Mules are loved by so many women because they come in so much varieties, a lot of styles, in a lot of ways. For example, if someone wants to go for heels, then she can buy the mules with heels, and if someone wants to buy flat or wants to go in a comfortable way with mules, then there is another option to go with flat mules. Actually, during summer or spring season, we love to wear mules most of the times. And if you are a person like me that is not ready for sandals or for home, the sandal season has not yet begun, then simply prefer a more covered up shoe option. And I think mules may be right for you. They are closed toe in the front and open in the back, as you all know. And another good thing is that we can pick between kitten heels or flat and high heeled versions. And the best thing is that we can wear them to work, wear them to dinner, even at the beach. It's totally up to you. So, mules come in different varieties, and the best part is that you can pair them with cropped pants because it creates a sleek silhouette. And but if you are more of a risk taker, wear them with midi skirts or dresses. And of course, you can find athletic styles, and these styles can be easily worn with shorts. In this video, you would find a variety of options for all your needs. I hope all these designs are so stylish and trendy and you would love these styles. You can see here's a variety of mules. Some are with blocked heels. For example, this one on your screen is white and with a block heel, and this would be comfortable to walk. And here are the knitted mules that are so comfortable as well as stylish to wear by women. You can go for the best that you love or that suits you best or that gives you the best comfort, because human choice differs from person to person. There are so many varieties in shoes, and everyone loves according to their own taste, their own style, their own choices, and so many other things, their interests. It's sometime according to the events that we are going to join. For example, if some people are going to join parties or going to weddings, they would like to wear heels, I guess. And if someone is going to a local market or a near farmhouse or going to church or somewhere else, they would be perhaps wearing flats. And some people going to beach also prefer to wear flats. Some people love to wear knitted mules that look so good, and while pairing these shoes with jeans add an elegance to your style. This is absolutely love. And my parrot is so excited that he is talking in the background. Perhaps he wants to talk to all of you, I guess. So enjoy this video and hit like. if you want to see any other collection or any other designs for dressing, shoes, or if you like to see the reviews about skincare, please let me know in the comment section. I love to hear the response from my viewers, and I love all of you for supporting me and watching me. The best part is that everyone works so hard to collect the data, make videos, doing voiceovers, and so many things. And the viewers, I think, must watch the videos till the end and like the content, because helping others and supporting others is definitely is a good deed. So, with a lot of prayers for you and your family, we will meet with another video, inshallah, very soon. If you are enjoying this content, please hit like and let me know about your choices. Till then, take care.